Notice of no utterance, your name or organization. Your address. City, state, zip code. Email address. Phone number. Date. 2. Recipient's name or organization. Recipient's address. City, state, zip code. Subject. Formal notice of no utterance. Dear, recipient's name. Legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notification that the undersigned has issued a notice of no utterance, meaning that no verbal, written, or implied statements, contracts, or agreements have been made or acknowledged regarding the subject matter at hand. Any claims, assumptions, or assertions to the contrary shall be deemed invalid and legally unenforceable. 1. No verbal or written statements given. No statements, agreements, or acknowledgments have been provided by the undersigned. 2. Presumption of consent is invalid. Any attempt to infer agreement through silence, inaction, or implied consent is expressly rejected. 3. Jurisdictional and contractual limitations. Any claims of contractual obligation must be supported by verifiable, written, and signed documentation. 4. Legal implications of false assertions. Any false claim of utterance or agreement shall be considered fraud and subject to legal rebuttal and corrective action. Immediate required actions. 1. Cease and desist from any assumptions of utterance. Any further attempts to claim verbal or written acknowledgement must be retracted immediately. 2. Provide verifiable proof of agreement. If any party asserts that an utterance or agreement exists, they must provide signed, legal documentation to support such a claim. 3. Acknowledge and respect the absence of utterance. The recipient must formally recognize that no statements or agreements have been made. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to acknowledge and adhere to this notice of no utterance may result in legal challenges for fraudulent claims. Any assertion of statements not made shall be subject to legal review and dispute. Liability for misrepresentation. Any attempt to fabricate, manipulate, or falsely assert an utterance may result in legal action and damages. Judicial and administrative scrutiny. Entities failing to comply may be investigated and held accountable for false claims. This notice serves as official documentation asserting that the undersigned has made no utterance or agreement regarding the matter at hand. Any failure to comply with this notice shall be met with legal rebuttal and enforcement measures. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If further clarification is required, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely. Your name. Your position, if applicable. Your organization name, if applicable. Enclosures, list any attached documents,